had a wee lunch break there. Marsden gave us a wee 25 minutes there. So we're just going to get the next car on, which is a BMW, I think, a 335, but I'll confirm the details in a minute, but it's obviously rear wheel drive. Good fun, so we'll get that on the dyno and get it strapped down. Right, dyno is back on, so we've got the 335D. All-wheel drive as well. I thought it was rear-wheel drive, but the owner was just telling me all-wheel drive, which is good, man. It ran a 12.3 at Crail, so expecting big torque. Struggling to strap this one down because it's so low. Look at the wheels when it's strapped in.
You want the front one slacking?
He needs to strap it down with his suspension arms at the back, and it's difficult to do because it's so low. So we've got a record for the day, by the way, a record lowest horsepower. That was a really strong run. No, it's going to be fine, it's going to be fine. Right, we've got all the straps, we think, sorted. Going to give it a go and see how we go. So that was 20 minutes trying to get that car strapped. Love the smell of diesel. Right. Right, out the road. Right, oh shit, my way up my album here, man. Scuddies. Right, 339.2 horsepower. 747.9 Newton meters. 7.9. Nice.
What's the mileage?
I don't know. We're getting through. Many cars left?
Mileage?
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars left to go, so we're getting through quick. Right, BMW off. Now got this wild purple Mark 8 GTI going on. The camera won't be doing this colour justice. It is lovely. Whoa! Front splitter. This Golf R's traction control keeps kicking in, it keeps cutting out. So I think that's it disabled now, we'll see. Obviously when the car's on the own road and it's traction control kicks in, it just stops it. Figures. Right, what we got? So we've got 339.2 horsepower and 747.9 Newton meters.
No, that's the one before you had a look at.
Oh yeah. I was on the wrong picture. Sorry. Right, okay, aye. 295.7. I know. And 412.3 Newton meters. That was my bad. We've got a Mark 6 GTI now. Just been mapped as well, so we'll see what it's doing. It's lovely, man. Very clean, it's always detailed. It's usually cleaner than this, mate. Shutting the blast doors. Right, that Golf GTI was strong. I'm going to get the power figures in a minute, but whilst I'm outside, this is the star of the show. He's coming on next. We're actually so lucky that we're going to get to stand behind this. This is going to be mad. 5.6 and just shy of 400 Newton meters of torque, mate. Right, Liam.
Go on, son.
256.8.
He wrote the zero before
I told him, man. What are you doing, man? Come on. 2.5. You can't turn a 0 into a 5. 2.56. Stop swearing on my videos, man. 256.8 and 399.4 newton meters. Good man. Yeah, baby. Check this coming in, man. That's an F1 man. Woo! Go again. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We need the door shut for this one, definitely. This one's good. Right, they need to strap this one right down, so probably the highest power car of the day, so I'm going under it now, get it all strapped down from underneath. We were panicking there, that needed a tow eye to get an extra strap on the front, and Barry couldn't find his tow eye, but we've got one for the drawer and it fits, so I think we're good. Right, extra straps. Caged animal. I think he'll be getting 2 bags, I think he'll be getting 2. So, 645.1 horsepower.
Damn.
973.6 newton meters of torque.
Wow. How much? 73?
973.6.
Jeez.
I think 0.6. I think we've got a winner for all-wheel drive, man. Right, so we got to witness something unbelievable there. That was a RS6 right behind it on the dyno, man. So it just made just shy of 1,000 newton meters of torque, which is wild, isn't it? Trying to go the RS3 before, it was the best, man.
Okay.
You went on the dyno? Right, Polo GTI, so we're expecting decent power figures. On this, I've been told. There's been some people not too happy, there's been some people really happy, but that's just the nature of different dynos and different days. You can't always win. You just need to take it with a pinch of salt, as long as your car feels good on the road. Polo GTI Stage 2. So we've got 230.7 horsepower and 397.6 newton meters, which is quite strong. 397.6. Right, this is an interesting one. We've got this Golf R, Mark 8 Golf R, and it's like, looks like solar beam yellow. It looks like solar beam yellow off the Black Series Mercedes. Check that colour out, it looks exactly the same. Lovely colour, man, lovely colour.
You want one or no? No, I'm okay, Ryan.
Try to get some extra shots of this. It's a very, very nice colour. Right, ready. So 369.1
Hey!
and 526.1 newton meters.
26.
526.1.
What's your mileage?
Brand new. Right, M140 coming on now. Not seen one of these on yet, so this is always loud and leery and mental. How fast it comes up the torque curve, man. Right, we're going to go again. This thing is whipping up the rev range, man. Stage 2. Easier. Right, Liam. BMW M140i 476.9 778.4 Newton meters. 0.4. That was wild. I think this is the first time in Scotland that two A45Ss have been in the same place. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it will be. Tam. It's a lovely colour, man. I did meet this guy at Scottish Performance Car Show, and that's how we met each other. Two A45S owners. A45S had a ghost immobiliser on it, and we couldn't get it into the mode for dyno mode, and it was taking us ages. 20 minutes trying to get a car into dyno mode, man. Right, we're in, we're going. Right, we're away, finally. So complicated, these new cars. Right, so two different A45s, two different maps, very different figures. So 439.5 horsepower, 439.5 and 571.8 Newton meters. That was good seeing another A45S AMG, but we've done a wee car swap because a couple of people didn't turn up. We're putting Chewie's Golf, VR6 Golf back on. This is on before, but it was running lean at the top end the last time, so they had to take it off the dyno. But he thinks it's good to go now. Still got its number on it for Crail the last time he was there, so we're looking forward to seeing this back on the dyno.
Basically, my car's going to use that much back. By the time it's fully fed up, the car's lost that much value. I'm in the same boat.
Long day, son. It's been a long day. We've been on our feet all day, but do you know what? If you want it, you need to go and get it. This is the hustle. This is the hustle. This is like a take two, man. Oh, look at that, man. Double tightening at the same time. Right, last car. I was waiting to see if he was going to take Barry's horsepower off him. 610.8 horsepower and 724.7 newton meters. Wild, man. Right, now we need to pick who get the highest power in class, so we're going to need to read the board. That'll take us a wee while. So we've got clear winners, right? So rear wheel drive class was Tam and the M4 at 531.9 horsepower. All wheel drive was Barry in the RS6, 645.1, and front wheel drive was Lee Brown in the Golf GTI. So well done, big massive leaderboard here. So that was 19 cars, 9:30 till 3:30 with a lunch break. Mac Motorsport was a hustle today. Right, we're not going to get to see much with this Supra because obviously what you're going to do here with it, right? But it's running on the 85 and it smells so sweet. That's us, so we've rolled every car. We had a couple of no-shows, but we swapped some people out. So still a fantastic day. Just a day surrounded by the things that we love, and the people have been great. And I just want to say to everybody that was here, special thanks for coming. You've paid your way, you came, you got your motor done, and everybody was happy, and we all left after a great day. So I'm just about to get some cars lined up for a thumbnail for this exact video. And then I'll check back in when we're in the car on the way home and we can do a bit of reflection on how good the first Dreamscape event was. Okay, that's me home safe. The track mini's parked up there and that's the boys away. I'm saying this from the driver's seat of the A45S AMG after what was the most fantastic first ever Dreamscape event, and it went without a hitch. So I'm sitting here feeling really really fortunate and appreciative of the people that I've got around me that were able to do these things. We put that day together. We got some of the most amazing cars, some of the most amazing people, and everybody was just together for the whole day celebrating cars in a place that's steeped in motorsport, you know, and just having a fantastic time. So firstly, I want to take an opportunity to thank all the people that brought their cars today. There was an amazing spread of different cars. We done it a wee bit differently from some dyno days where we recorded the times and we done a fastest in class and all that, just to try and make it a wee bit better. So I hope everybody enjoyed that little touch. And also want to thank the viewers for getting us to this point. We're just about to hit 1,300 subscribers on the channel. It's an unbelievable number to have achieved in such a short space of time. We only launched the channel really back in kind of February, March time this year. I feel like we're going to close out 2024 with a bang on the channel. So yeah, that's a special thanks to all the viewers and all the subscribers. We are trying to keep the content as interesting as we possibly can, and doing a dyno day and doing it in a different format and getting you all the best possible clips was my intention today. So two-part video again, just because there's so much content getting filmed. I don't want to ruin it by clipping loads out and stuffing it into a 25-minute long video. So I know these are long and I know it's hard to get here, but if you've made it this far, thank you. So I'm going to close off my day, I'm going to get a shower, get it changed, get onto the couch and chill out, and I'm going to have to start editing this video tomorrow. So I just want to say a final thanks to everybody, and also thank you for anybody that's watching content on Dreamscape. We love you, so thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.